Identifying the features of your printer. This tutorial will teach you how to identify the product's features. Operator controls with the power button. A status indicator. And a media feed button. Fanfold media entry slot. Ethernet port, optional. USB port. DC power receptacle. Cover release latch. Open the printer. Roll holders with integrated media guides. Media guide stop. Platen, drive, roller. Upper media tear edge. Upper web, gap, sensor, other side. Movable, lower, media sensor. The default position for continuous and label media. Head-up sensor, inside. Lower media tear edge. Print head. Do not touch. Static discharge and contaminants, such as dirt and body oils, may damage the print head. Quick help QR code. Label taken sensor. Dispenser door and door latch. Label liner exit area. Label peel bar. Peel roller. Media cutter option. Media exit slot, for media only. Do not insert fingers, tools, or other objects in the slot.